Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Metal and Motorcycles. You're here with the kid, Jeremy Vareo. In this video, we're going to replace the stock shift and brake pegs on my 2018 Indian Scout with these guys from Joker Machine. Stick around. Alright guys, like I said, we're going to replace the stock shift and brake pegs on the Indian Scout with these guys from Joker Machine. These are their metric serrated shift and brake pegs. Pretty simple installation. You need like a razor blade or an X-Acto to cut the old rubber casing off of your current pegs, and then you just peel those guys off and you unscrew them with just like an open-ended wrench or an adjustable wrench will take them off, and then you put these guys on with an Allen key and some Loctite, and that's it. Simple. Bob's your uncle. Let's get to it. Alright. So I got my big old knife and got a wrench. That's Loctite and the pegs. So let's get after it. First things last, we're gonna cut this guy off. Oh, that cut real nice. Oh, look at that, came right out. Then you gotta get this guy off. Tight grips. Let's try these guys. There you go. This was a 10 metric set. It's a 10. Yeah, 10. Come right off. Gross. So now we'll take one of these guys. Open. Like my man Steel Cracker says, get that out of here! I love Steel Cracker. He's an idiot. Just like someone I know. Yep, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and Loctite this son of a gun. And I think it's sure is. It's a size 6. Screw this so-and-so in. This is a very simple install. So simple that I don't know that I'll bother showing the other side. But maybe we will. Give me coverage? Nope. So we'll take this guy. Tighten them up. And a little makeshift tool. There you go. That's tight. Tight, yeah, tight like a tiger. Oh, that's pretty good. That ain't going anywhere. But I do want to adjust the angle a little bit. Do that. There you go. That guy's on. It looks awesome. We might have to adjust it, you know, once we ride. Let's see. Actually, that's pretty good. Happy with that? Happy with that. So let's go ahead and do the other side on the shifter side. All right, so again, we're gonna cut this guy off. Should come off nice and smooth. We did. Saw some guy like heating it up with a heat gun and like blowing WD-40 under it and all this shit. Dude, just get a knife and cut that fucker off, eh? And then we'll take our F10 and loosen this dude. Lefty loosey. Just like in high school or elementary school when you worked in wood shop. Good God. You guys. Get that out of here, Mr. Cracker. Screw in. Loctite. Loctite it real good, enough so that your wife will be mad. You're making a mess on the carpet in the garage that who cares about? Garage carpet. Not I, says the kid. I keep this at about the angle of the of this shifter from a visual standpoint. Take this guy again, make our makeshift whatever tool you want to call it. Just get a little extra leverage behind the turn. Leverage. I don't know if I mentioned, but I love the word leverage. So there you have it, man. That thing is on there. Looks dope. Looks awesome. So, yeah, pretty simple. Pretty simple. All right, guys, so there you had it. Only took a couple of minutes for each one. Really simple to do. I think it adds a nice look to the bike. I'm really looking forward to getting the floorboards in as well for a nice kind of matchy-matchy. Hope you guys dug the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what kind of modifications you guys are doing on your bikes as well. I'd love to hear it down in the comments. And as always, I appreciate you guys coming by and checking out the channel. Until next time, peace.